Hello student, welcome to shsirclasses. Today drawing 150-degree using pencil, compass and scale. First of all, drawing a line BC and I am going to draw angle on the point B. Putting compass here and taking any length and drawing a arc by this way. Okay. Next, with same length and putting here and cut the arc by this way, and again putting here and cut the curve by this way, and again putting here and cut the arc by this way, and drawing a arc here and also putting here and draw a arc here. Now I'm going to join these 2 points by scale. So this is point A. Now I'm going to check whether it is 150 or not. So it is 150 perfectly. So angle ABC 150 degree. So therefore angle ABC 150 degree. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe and like.